Hey guys, I know there's been some problems with my volume lately. It's just my computer. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 new duct tapes I got recently at the store. Marks, if you would buy Marks or if you have Marks around, you might want to get your duct tape there because I sold them for $30. Firstly, I got orange duct tape, neon orange. It's just called orange. I don't know why, but got it from Duck tape brand, the Duck brand. You can see in there. The second one is black and white checker. Kind of looks like it's made. This is why I like this one from the Duck brand store. And lastly, I got white duck tape because I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to make an Elmo wallet. So if you like Sesame Street, then you do that. So this is going to be Elmo. And I'm sure I can do a lot like that. But just for now, that's it. And 1 second, I'll be right back because I have a lot to show you guys. Okay, so I have this purple wallet. As you can see, it's not trimmed very well on the edges, so you can see a little bit. You would open it up. There's 2 little pieces of Velcro. Just stand up for this one. You open it up. There's a fold, and then there's this. It's a trash right now. And there's going to be an ID case. An ID case, but I don't have an ID card, so I can't test that out right now. When you want to close it, you're just going to fold it back into a square. And you have it. And that's all for now. So I'll be making more videos, and look forward to do the Elmo video because I'm going to be posting that tutorial soon. So thank you, and have a good day.